Good morning, students. Welcome back to our maths class. So, students, in our today's class, I'll be starting another topic, that is methods of addition. Right? But before starting our today's topic, let's recall the things which we have discussed in our previous class. So, children, did you all practice what I have discussed with you all? Okay, very good. So, what I have discussed with you all in the last two classes? I have started chapter number 4, that is addition. Right? Then we have learned what? The terms of addition. Then we have learned how to add single digit numbers. I've shown you how to add two-digit numbers. Right? So, I hope all of you have practiced. Okay. So, in our today's class, I'll be starting another topic that is called methods of addition. That means we can do addition in a different methods. So, there are three methods. What are they? Addition using fingers. Second one, addition using the number line. Third one, vertical or column addition. So, three methods are given. Okay. But today, I'll be starting number 1. That is addition using fingers. Right? I hope you have cleared the word addition. What is that? Let's repeat. Counting the total number of objects together, we call it addition. Then which symbol we use in addition? We use plus symbol. What is sum? The answer of addition is called sum. Clear? So I hope these terms are clear with you all. Clear, children? So let's start our today's topic, that is called addition using fingers. Everyone, please take out your textbook and page number 46. There it is given methods of addition. So, three methods are there. Today we will be learning which one? Number 1, that is addition using fingers. Clear, children? So, let's start. So, now the topic what? Today what we will learn? We will learn about addition using fingers. Clear, children? This method. In this method what? This is the first method. In this method we'll use what? We will use fingers for doing addition. Right, children? We will use what? We will use fingers for doing addition. But let me tell you some words. Children, you will be getting some words that are used in addition. So, what are the words you will get? Some words are there in page number 46 textbook. Just go through it. The words add, total, together, in all together, and sum are the certain words that are used in addition. Okay, what are they? Add, total, together, in all together, and sum are the words that are used in addition. Alright, children? So the first is addition using fingers. That means what? We will use fingers for doing addition. So I have written one question. Just everyone see. Question is add using fingers. Now these are the numbers given here, digit. Okay. Number A, 5 and 2. That means we need to add 5 and 2. By using which one method? We are learning which one method? Addition using fingers. So first one is what? Add using fingers. Number A, 5 and 2. Now what we will do? We will add 5 and 2. How? By using fingers. Right? How we will add? By using fingers. So number A. Number A, solution, alright? Number A is what? Add 5 and 2. 5 and 2 we will add. To get what, children, tell me? The answer of addition is called what? sum. We will add. Add is also a word that is used in addition. So 5 plus 2. How you will add? By using fingers. Now 5 plus 2. 5 fingers plus 2 fingers. What is the total? 5 plus 2. Add it up. Total how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So answer is how much? It will be 7. Clear, children? How I have added? By using fingers. Right. So answer is what? 5 plus 2, it is 7. It is 7. Next, number B. Add 1 and 8. Number B. 1 and 8. Add these two to get it what? To get it sum. How? By using fingers. Now what is that? 1 and 8. So 5 fingers, 1 hand. 6, 7, 8. 8 plus how much? 8 and 1. So these are 8. Now plus 1. What is the total? Count it. Here 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 8 plus 1 is how much, children? It is 9. Clear, children? What is the answer? It is 9. Now number C. Number C. 5 and 5. 5 plus 5. Number C. 5 plus 5. Again, add using fingers. 5 plus 5. 5 fingers, 5 fingers. Total you do? How many? 5 plus 5. It comes how much, children? Yes, it is 10. So 5 plus 5, when we add using fingers, we got it what? 10. We got it 10. Understood, children? So this is how you have to add the numbers by using fingers. So this is number 1 method. Addition using fingers. 1 method. In addition using fingers, what we do? For adding, we use fingers. For adding, we use fingers. Alright, children? So I have shown you the 3 examples. How to add using fingers. This is how you have to do. We have to use what? Fingers. Alright, children? Clear? So again, let's take 3 examples. Right? It will help you to understand more. Let's take another example. I'll be taking another example. Next, again A. 6 and 2. Number B. 4 and 4. Number C. 5 and 2. Again, another example I am taking. So first one is what? 6 and 2. Solution. Solution means that we will find out the answer. 6 and 2. Add 6 and 2 to get the sum, to get the answer. So again we will use what? Fingers. So 5 fingers, then 1, it comes 6 plus 2. 1, 2. So what is the total? 6 plus 2. Answer is, add it up all the fingers. So how much? 5, 6, 7, 8. So answer is how much? It is 8. Clear, children? Next one, B. This is A. Next one, B. 4 plus 4. Add 4 and 4 and 4 to get the sum. 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4. Add it up. Because we are doing addition using fingers. So we will use what? We will be using fingers. So 4 plus 4. What is the total? It comes 8. Very good. So 4 plus 4, it comes 8. Number C. 5 plus 2. Add it up. Using fingers. 5 fingers plus 2 fingers. What is the total? 5, 6, 7. Alright children? So 5 plus 2 is how much? 7. So I hope it is clear to everyone. Clear children? So you all practice it how to add using fingers. Clear? Take another example and practice at home. Clear children? All of you, today your task is please practice addition using fingers. This is the first method of addition. Right? Thank you.